In today's video, we will take out the rear door panel of 2022 Toyota Rav4. Using a thin screwdriver, we will take out the cover for the interior door handle. Behind the cover, there is a screw and we will be taking it out using a Phillips screwdriver. Screw is out. Now we jump onto the bottom side. Using the same thin screwdriver, we will pop out the edges of the door switch cover. Once the edges are out, now it is easy for us to take it out completely. Once taken out, there are two plugs that needs to be pulled out. Both plugs are out. This separates the door switch cover from the panel. Now we take out this L-shaped trim going all the way up. Starting from the top, use the same thin screwdriver to make some room. Once you see a little gap, now slightly pull it outwards and keep doing the same till the very end. There, that L-shaped hockey stick is out. Notice there is a screw at the bottom side and we will be taking it out using a Phillips screwdriver. The same hole is on top and the same Phillips screwdriver will be used to take that screw out. Now, with a little force, slightly pull the door liner from the bottom side. Make sure it is losing its grip, moving it up and down until it completely pops out. Once the door panel is taken down, notice there is an interior door handle which has wirings attached to it. We'll not be taking out the wirings separately. Instead, we will just pull it from one edge and there the interior door handle will come out itself. And that was it. We ended up taking out the door panel completely. Now, if this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Help motivate us making more DIY content. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section and we will be happy to get back to you. In the meantime, catch you in the next video.